everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Adventures in Cooking with Crazy Marcus. So today is a bit of a bonus episode, as you all may already know. It is the big man's birthday, Benidorm Mike. It is his 63rd birthday, even though he does look a lot older than 63, guys. Anyway, so today I thought it'd be nice because we ain't really been able to get him what he actually wanted, so I thought it'd be nice and treat him to a meal that he really loved when he was a kid. And that meal is a curry tart. Now, I know I have already done a curry tart in season 1, but I'm doing it again here in season 2, so let's see how we do it. Okay, so the ingredients are we have got some mushrooms, some veggies, a can of tomato frito, just to give the curry sauce a bit more with a nicer taste. Of course, some chicken breast, chicken strips, which I will be chopping up a bit smaller. Basic pastry, you can probably get it from any shop. Then, of course, a block. Now, it looks a bit weird, but once we've sort of added some water to it, mix it up, that will go into like a curry paste. We've also got some curry powder to add a tiny bit of an extra spice to it. The problem is though, guys, me and Scooter Sue don't really like our curries spicy, whereas Mad Mike loves a spicy curry. Okay, just cutting some smaller bits of chicken for the curry. Then once we've cut it all up, what I'll do is I'll brown it off. Make sure to keep it moving as well so it doesn't stick, guys. And some pretty nice sort of big bits as well so it is a meaty curry. So we're now just trying to brown the chicken off here, guys. Make sure to keep it moving as well because it is bound to start sticking even though you have put oil in it. Okay, so I've put a tiny bit of water in it to stop it from sticking. Going to put a bit of curry powder on it just to get a bit of the flavour in with the chicken. Should we do a bit more or? No, that's enough. I'll put the spoon on the lid there. Then I'm just going to mix it all in. Already you can smell quite a bit of the curry off it. And yeah, it does smell quite nice. Comment down below as well if you've ever had curry tarts for your school dinner. One of the stories Mike used to tell me is he used to be the only kid at his school who liked him, so he'd get seconds. Typical Benidorm Mike. Okay, so now the chicken's cooked, we're going to put the tomato sauce in. make sure I've got all of it out as well. Don't want to be wasting any. Then afterwards we make the curry sauce slash powder paste. So see you in a minute. Okay, so we're going to put the block of curry powder in. Ooh. Then basically mix it all in together. Okay, so next we'll add some mushrooms. So all mushrooms in, and now, same as always, just mix it in with everything, guys. Okay, so just going to try a bit of the sauce, if I can get a bit. Okay, there it is, looks nice. Tastes nice as well. Maybe a bit more curry powder needs to be added. Okay, so next up we are going to do the bottom bit of the tart. So see, and we sort that out. Okay, so we've made the pastry. We've left the greaseproof paper in so it doesn't stick to the pot. Now comes the hard task of transferring the curry into the pie. Now watch me get it everywhere. Yeah, then I have got my cameraman Mike helping me. Just trying to make sure I have got every sort of bit of it. Yeah, that should do. Yeah, that'll do. Then I'll just sort of use my little spatula type thing, spread it out a bit, make sure it is even. Okay, so as you can see, we managed to get it in the pastry. Yeah, I did sort of plan on there being more, but yeah, as you can see, it hasn't really worked out. Now it's time to face the sub-Sahara desert heat of trying to put it in the oven. Okay guys, so it's been in the oven for about 20 minutes now. What we're going to do is try pull it out and check on it. To be honest, I think it could be ready. Jesus. Can you stop this tea time maybe? I don't know what this is going to help, but no, I can't do it. So yeah, but I think it is done, guys. Can't wait to try it. Looks delicious. So, can't wait to try it. We're just waiting on the veggies at the moment. Okay, so as you can see, plating the pie up, yeah, it were a bit messy, but have you really cooked a meal if you haven't created a mess? Now for the easiest part, plating the veggies. Oh, if I can get them off. Oh, God's sake. Why is it everything don't really want to work today? I'm sure the pan were oiled and they're sticking, guys. Okay, guys, oh, there it is. Homemade curry tart.
Curry pie.
Curry pie, curry tart. Call it what you like.
Right, this since I was at school.
Of course, going to let the birthday boy be the taste tester today. What do you think?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not bad, he says.
Not bad.
Cheeky in this old age. Okay, I'll try a bit next. Got a bit of meat, bit of pastry. Pastry's nice and thick, meat's tender. You do have a kick of spice, but not too much that it is super spicy, guys.
Yeah, I
Really
just said a
nice.
little bit more curry powder in next time. Yeah. It's really nice, so it's really good curry.
What rating would you give it, birthday boy?
Probably 8 out of 10 because I'd have had a little bit of spice, yeah. Yeah.
Me, myself, I'll probably give it 10 out of 10. I'm not really keen on the spicy stuff. But yeah, it is gorgeous. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again in the next one. And of course, happy birthday, Benidorm, Mike.
Thank you very much.
See you soon. Adios.